Welcome, you're watching Come Chat With Me, and we're here today at the Jamaica Music Festival. And I have the honor, the privilege of kneeling right now next to the living legend himself, Mr. Derrick Morgan. How are you doing, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. I'm very much fine, thank you.
Oh, when was the last time you've been to New York?
Call it 2 years ago.
Oh, 2 years ago?
Yeah.
Okay, and that was a performance you went?
Yeah, great performance. But in Brooklyn among some white crowd.
Okay.
It was a big night, you know, for me.
Nice.
About 10,000 people were there. Wow. But it's pure white.
Okay. Well, today you perform in front of your hometown. A lot of Jamaicans, a lot of Caribbean people are here today. They were feeling the vibe. They know your song. They were singing. How that does it make you feel on stage
Make
to
me
perform
feel
for
good,
them?
man. Make me feel good. You see, when I perform like in Europe and those two, and the white people them sing for me. They sing every song that I sing. Yeah, that's good, man.
Legend, so
thanks.
that's obvious because you're a living legend.
Of course I am.
Are you still recording new songs?
I record new songs, but I don't put them out because
yet.
But I have studio and I do record all of them. That when I'm gone, the children carry on.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I love that idea.
Yeah.
So you're just recording them for now. You're not really putting them out.
No, I don't push them out.
Okay. You have enough already. Your catalog is already big already.
It's too big. That's big. I have over 2,000 songs.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's right.
Well, thank you very much, sir. It's an honor, it's a privilege to talk to you.
Yes.
And trust me, it's been great. I've enjoyed your performance. Thank you very much.
Thank you for catching me. Right?
All right, I'm gonna put the mic in your hand, and just for you to just anything you want to sing for our audience, for our TV network. All right, anything you want to do. I'm gonna come out the way, endorse it. Anything you want to sing, introduce yourself to our audience.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. In my heart, I feel like a king, looking for a queen to call my own. In my palace, I've got 2 thrones. One is for me, the other waiting. Yeah, man, big up.
Sister, don't you try to raise up, 'cause you will get hurt. When a lion is sleeping, never you try to wake him. Sister, this goes though. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, she's gone. Yeah, coming right back. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, she is gone. She went over the hill, down in the valley, she's gone. I'm wondering.
Come chat with me.